Hello, this is day 11. 11, yeah, you get me. Today, I got up at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Sorry, 1:30 in the afternoon, because I felt really sick last night and I had a bad headache, so my mom let me sleep in. So yeah, that's what I did all day, to sleep. And then I went to my nanny's to have dinner, and then I come back home, and then I did some short videos on my Haley's the Limit YouTube channel. You can check that out if you want. It'll always be down there, so it will. Hopefully you like them. They're just a bit of a joke, laugh. So they're not serious or anything. Just 'cause I'm a bit bored and don't know what to do. So yeah, I've been doing that for the last half hour to an hour, and yeah, that's basically it. Oh, I'm going to the doctor tomorrow because my toe, as I told you in the last video, I think it was the last video, I don't know, I'm not sure about that one, someone say. So yeah, that'll be tomorrow morning or some sort of time, I don't know. So yeah, hopefully that'll go well and nothing serious is wrong with my foot. Okay. Bye. What about this? Bye, the Queen. Bye, or bye, or bye, or bye. Alright, I'll stick to it. It's elegant.